Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss job analysis. Job analysis. First you need to understand what is job. Job से आप क्या समझते हैं? A job may be defined as a collection or aggregation of tasks, duties and responsibilities which as a whole is regarded as a regular assignment to individual. So, a job is a collection or aggregation of tasks, duties and responsibilities. Let's take an example. Mr. A is working in an organization as an accounting clerk. So, what's the job of Mr. A? उसकी duties क्या है? Responsibilities क्या है? And the answer is prepare and maintain accounting documents and record. Prepare bank deposits, general ledger posting and statements. Provide accounting and clerical support to the accounting department. So, he is responsible to accounting department. All these tasks performed by Mr. A is called his job. Now, what is job analysis? Job analysis is a process of studying and collecting information relating to operations and responsibilities of a specific job. In simple words, it is the process of collecting job related information. It means किसी specific job से related सारे informations को collect करना is job analysis. And such information helps in the preparation of job description and job specification. So, job analysis includes job description and job specification. Now, the question is, what is job description and job specification? This table will help you to understand job description and job specification. So, job description includes job title, location, job summary, duties, machines, tools and equipment, materials and forms used, supervision given or received, working conditions, hazards, and so on. Now, job specification. It's a statement of human qualifications necessary to do the job. To do that particular job जो हमने job description में mention किया है. And it contains items such as education, experience, training, judgment, and so on. Now let's take an example. Again, accounting clerk. So under job description, job title is accounting clerk. Location, and this job is located in Ranchi. And the duties are daily enter data of financial transaction in database, prepare and maintain accounting documents, prepare bank deposits, general ledger posting, and provide accounting and clerical support to the accounting department. Now, under job specification, what are the human qualification needed to perform this particular job of accounting clerk? So, कौन से requirements है? Number 1, bachelor degree. Number 2, Familiarity with bookkeeping and basic accounting procedure. Number 3, data entry and word processing skill. Number 4, competency in MS Office, database and accounting software. Number 5, well organized. Number 6, ability to perform filling and record keeping tasks. Now we can say job description. It's a document which states an overview of the duties, responsibilities, and function of a specific job in an organization. And job specification, it's a statement of the qualifications, personality traits, skill required by an individual to perform the job. So in simple words, job description, it means details of job, and job specification, it means human qualification necessary to do that particular job. Now, what's the objective of job description? Job description क्यों ज़रूरी है? So number 1, it helps in grading and classification of the jobs. Grading of the job, it means grade 1 में कौन से जॉब होंगे, ग्रेड 2 में कौन से जॉब आते हैं, कौन से जॉब टॉप लेवल के हैं, मिडिल लेवल के हैं और लोअर लेवल के होंगे. Next, it helps a manager to make a decision regarding the promotions and transfers of the employees. Next, job description helps in proper work scheduling. Next point, it enables the employees to know the various health and safety precautions that are required to be taken. Next, it is one of the basis for job evaluation. Job evaluation, it means evaluating the job in terms of money. To fix remuneration. Remunerations कितना होना चाहिए, सैलरी कितने होंगे. Next, what's the objective of job specification? Number 1, on the basis of job description, job specification is helpful for the candidate to analyze whether they are fit to apply for the job or not. Suppose किसी जॉब में फिजिकल वर्क बहुत ज़्यादा है and you are not that physically strong, then you are not going to apply. Next, job specification gives detailed information about any job, including job responsibilities, desired technical and physical skills, and much more. Job specification helps in making the most appropriate selection for any particular job. So we can say job description and job specification are two integral parts of job analysis. Both data sets, it means job description and job specification, are extremely relevant for creating a right fit between job and talent, evaluate performance and analyze training needs, and measuring the worth of a particular job. This is all for today. Goodbye and take care.